Okay, park day kami today. Dito na si Ender. Nandito din si Drea. Sama si Drea. We're going to the park.
This. Akin na. Okay. Ayan o, sabon ka lang. Yan kasi nasa likod lang yan, Andrea.
Okay, let's go.
Please look like this is wet.
Sakay na, uy.
Ay, hindi talaga. This is not motor. Look, look at the tire.
Bye.
Hi, we don't want this for ramen dancing. Ramen. My Andre's ramen. My Andre's ramen. My Andre's ramen. Daddy, can my Andre's ramen? Camera.
Big ramen.
Camera, can my ramen Andre? Wait, my ramen. Waiting my way.
Doon tayo bababa sa akin.
We going to park, Daddy? Daddy, we going to park?
Yeah, we're going to the park.
We go to park. Go to park. We going to park now. Daddy, no, we going to park.
Sige na, go na.
Can my mommy please? Daddy, can my
Park mo na ang mga kiddos. Chicken, no? Son, good morning. Yan, pang putol ng puno.
Oo, sanga-sanga.
Sige. Ano, sispin nga. Sispin kita. Wait lang. Spin, spin, spin. One, ready, steady, go. Oops, oops.
send my dad?
Sa back.
My please.
One, two, three, spin. Good. Kasya ba tayong dalawa dyan?
Hey, what about the children?
Hey children, come here children.
I'm gonna go take care of them.
Kaya mo yan? Kaya mo dyan? Oo, 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 oo.
Ay, hindi siya.
Busy ka kakaswing. La.
Very good.
Go up, Andre, go up.
We're going up. Scary. That is scary. I can be tired. In my hurry. Yeah, come up here. I dare you over the red. No, in the ground. Okay, then go over the red.
Iyo. Wala.
Daddy. Then you go. My
Pampers? Ano yan? Ano yan sa pampers mo?
Let me see. Please do it when we're older. Wait. Let me see this. Except for this.
Sige. Oh, Daddy, video mo si Daddy. Hello guys.
Go, Ender.
Welcome to Andre's vlog.
Ender, get over here.
Oh,
Welcome to Andre's vlog.
vlog. Oh, like and subscribe. Sabi mo, like and subscribe. Come on, sabi mo, like and subscribe. Welcome to my vlog. Come on. Oh, kaya ka pa niyan, Jaya? Hold on tight, hold on tight. Baka bumagka. Kita?
This in my stairs.
Dito, dito. Dito yung camera. Saan yung camera dito?
Daddy, kung bata lang yan for stealing 39 children only from 12 years and below. I don't want to see to break again.
Loko to si Andre. Nilalagay yung camera sa Ender. Oh, Ender. Go, 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 go. Please, di ka nakasa eh. Masakal ka dun ha. Oops. Oops. Nahilo ka na. La la la. Oh, fireworks, Andre, fireworks. Try again, try again. Try again.
Let me try.
Hmm.
Do it. Do it, don't worry. Do it, just do it. Don't be scared. You're not so far from
Oh, ikaw naman, slide ka, slide, slide, Andre, slide.
No, it's not monkey bars.
It's monkey bar. Monkey bar talaga yan.
It's okay, Missy. When? What are you doing?
What are you doing, friendo?
The red one is better. This one here.
They're playing, of course. Go, 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 go. Oh, swing. Oh, galing ah. Nakakuha ka ng friend, Andre ah. Ay, daling dalawa. Be careful ha.
Father, I'm tall enough to reach this.
You're tall enough?
Yeah.
that, anak? Ha? Ang tawag mo dyan? Magic wand? This looks like a spear. Oh, drink water, drink water.
Daddy, my favorite is butterfly.
Ah, si Butterfly. Ano nangyari ginawa sa'yo ni Butterfly? What happened? What happened? What Butterfly? Anong ginawa ni Butterfly sa'yo? Ha? What happened? Hmm?
Butterfly is biting.
Binight ka ni Butterfly? Saan? Saan ka binight? Sa ears? Mga anak ko pag nasa park nag-enjoy, nakalimutan din nila yung oras. Naalala ko nung mga bata kami, gando din kami. Parang gusto namin maghapon na sa park eh. Ayun no. Di ba mag-enjoy dyan? Merong monkey bars, merong tire swing, merong slide doon, merong swing, tapos merong seesaw. Ayan, tapos may mga puno. And, yun, nature dito eh, ano? Dahil puno. Oh. Tsaka mahangin. Malamig pa yung simoy ng hangin ngayon kasi January pa. Amihan season. Yeah. Ano yan? Ano nangyari sa'yo? What happened?
Ice.
Nice, ano nangyari? Puwing ka? What happened?
Nabuwing.
Napuwing. Ano natin? Nana? Ano pa? Napuwing ka? Ano nangyari? Tingin. Let me see. Open. Isa pa. Wala naman nakakarang matuwang ka lang. Sakit? Masakit? Part talaga yun. Andre!
Daddy, where's the wipes in the bag? Give me the wipes.
Nilagay mo ba dito?
Yeah, I put it in this part here. I have an idea. Since wipes, sometimes wipes work, I'm just gonna put wipes
Sige.
over my eyes. So it can cool down.
Cool down.
So-
Mainit ba?
So it removes the pain.
Andre! Where are you? Sarap dito, no? Sarap mag-picnic dito, no? Ang daming bata ang naglalaro. They're playing. It's a free.
And then this always works when my eyes hurt or am I crying. It just wipes it off.
Basait ba?
Yeah, this way. Then it no longer hurts. I'm not going to use it for sipon. That's why I always need wipes.
Ay! Huwag ka mag-monkey bar nang wala si daddy dyan. Anong ginagawa nyo dyan sa stick na yan? Huh? Makuryente kayo Wala namang kuryente dito. Anong gagawin mo dyan sa stick na yan? Nandun. Natusok mo si daddy Ikaw Andre, busy ka dyan, mag-isa ka. May two little friend ka? Tanongin mo anong name nila. Tanongin mo, dali.
It's my
Ask mo name nila. Ask mo.
friend. What are you doing?
What you doing?
What you
Huwag mo ikalat yan, Ender. Winalis na yan dyan.
Okay, water.
We play with the stick lang.
How about this one? It's a people.
Anong gagawin mo dyan, Jaya? Mag-bonfire ka?
Ooh, this thing is tall.
How tall?
Look, stand up. It's literally taller than you. Stand up there.
Yeah, it's taller than me.
It's so,
Let me see, let me see.
it's so tall.
It's tall.
How tall is the stick?
It's taller than you.
It's taller than me. Oo nga, no?
Yeah, can I borrow this? What? Oh, then let me just borrow it. Oh, oh.
Rico!
Sorry, Daddy.
Andre, what are you doing there? Come here. Andre! Andre!
I found this there.
Busy pa si Andre. Mag-swing muna tayo dito. Swing! Swing! 1, 2, 3, 1! Nakakailo pala to. Mystic. Ender, wag. Mahulog ka naman dyan. Oh. Ay, matusok mo si Andre, ah. No. Ender, don't point it to Andre. No. Ender.
I'm scared.
Matusok mo sa mata yan, eh.
Oh, yun! My stick! Oh.
Oops. Oopsie.
Oopsies, Louie. Oh, it's
Be careful. Oh, slide. Ender, wag mo i-point kay Andre yan, ha. What's your name, Stick? May name ba yung Stick? Oh. Oh. Be careful. Oh, nagbo-bonfire si ate, oh. Nagawa mo, Ate Drea.
Sticks. Yay! But I have a question. Can we bring the sticks home?
Sticks na gawin mo doon. Pwede
That
mo.
one.
Paano natin lalagay sa ano yan? Sa motor yan?
I'm gonna hold it.
You walk so gawin mo.
Oh yeah.
Wag na, dito lang yan.
And what if we just walk?
Masan stick? Oh. Stick, oh, pangalan ng stick.
Stick! Oh, he's flying!
Oh, Ender, be careful, ah. Ah, be careful!
Stick, oh.
Ito, Ender, oh. No? Fire na lang kulang, eh. Busy yung dalawa, oh. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? Oh, matusok mo si Ender. Andre, be careful, Ender.
Be careful, not my finger.
Ano pangalan ng stick, Andre?
Stick, oh.
Si Stick, oh. Oh, be careful, Ender. Be careful. Watch out for your brother.
Watch out, my brother.
Oh.
Ano ka yan?
Watch out for your brother. Oops, nabali na. La. Nabali na si Stick. Oh. Ayan na stick mo, Andre. Kunin mo na stick mo. Oh, that's your stick. It's broken.
Yeah.
Broken my stick.
Let's see if it's still taller. Let's see if it's taller. There's my stick in the truck.
Which is taller?
What's my stick? Mine. I think idea.
Ano, what's your idea?
He's gonna try to
What's
make
your
a
idea?
bonfire. You, Andre, make a bonfire.
And there, Andre, oops. Be careful. Ender, wag na hawakan. Dito muna lang yan. O, maggawa tayo ng bonfire. Dali, bonfire tayo dito. Dali. Oh, camping yan. O, kaya ba na idea? O, mag-bonfire ka na. O. Dali, bonfire. Let's make a fire. Dito. Ender, bonfire tayo dito. Daya. Ano, bonfire. Andiyo, bonfire.
We need rocks.
Imagine mo yung fire sa ano. Dito, may fire. Kunwari, nag-ano tayo marshmallow. Ooh, be careful. We're cooking marshmallow. Marshmallow. Andre! Matusok sila.
I can flex on my classmates.
Nye. Yung mga gawin mo.
I'm gonna show them my stick.
What are you doing, Andre? Did you know that there's a stick that they have they put a step on that and they walk with the stick? You know that?
You know, in America.
Have you seen that?
Over a hole?
No.
Father, 3 people?
No, 2 people.
I said it's 3.
Oy.
Daddy, are we legally allowed to take that home?
Yeah, it's free.
Cut
But
it
we can't take that home if we're on a motorcycle. You can walk. Kaso delikado yan doon, nak, kasi maano yun sa kuryente doon. Dito walang kuryente. Oh.
What about those sticks?
Yung small sticks lang, oh, pwede. Hmm.
And there,
Andre, bigay mo na yung isa kay Andre.
give me my stick.
There.
Andre.
Wait, that was mine.
Andre, is that your sword? Andre, is that your sword? Go. Is that your sword, Andre? Huh?
Hard.
Oh,
And it fit na
saan?
in the motorcycle.
Di pa din.
Yeah.
Matutusok mo yung iba. Ano stick mo?
We'll go.
Nasaan na yung stick mo?
That's mine.
Nasa si Andre?
I don't know. There he's not.
Ano gawa
Do
niya
you
doon?
think we can fit this in the motorcycle? Storage. No. Dito, yes or no?
Break it.
Wala tayong lagayan.
Fine. Well, we'll bring exclusive ones. We'll make it last.
Tapos, saan mo lalagay yan doon?
Are you
Motorcycle storage part.
Are you
The large one.
Hindi, sa bahay. Saan mo lalagay yan doon?
Outside.
Tapos,
Then what if
I'm just gonna repair it.
What if a fox? What if the fox steals it?
ha?
There are no foxes.
Fox? Anong gagawin ng fox?
Steal it.
Steal it?
What if a dog sings when we just drop it and then the person the owner shows something and then the stick lands at the perfect time when the thing that the owner shows lands, then will the dog think that the stick is the ball, so if the owner shows the ball, so that means the dog will get the stick and give it to his owner, but then the owner would be smart and give it back, so that's kind of pointless.
Oh, nandito ulit sila. Mga friends. Hey, ka dito. Saan galing? Hoy! Jaya, uwi na tayo, no? Uwi na tayo, Jaya, no? Oh, uwi na tayo. Ender, halika dito. Ender, come here. Uwi na tayo, di ba? Uwi na tayo, Ender, di ba? Uwi na, di ba?
Daddy, na uwi na tayo, Teo.
Uwi na tayo?
Okay.
Uwi na daw tayo. Tatayo na. Ayaw, sala ko ba ayaw mo umuwi?
Tayo.
Let's go home na?
Okay.
Okay daw, let's go home na daw. Let's go home na?
Daddy, this one's also smooth right in the front. Look.
Yeah, you wanna take it home?
Wait. Test.
You wanna take it home?
Yeah, but first test it if it's smooth for you too.
Yeah, it's good for me. Let's take it home. Tara na. Oh guys, we're going home na.
No.
We're going home na. Sabi mo we're going home na.
No.
Sabi mo we're going home na. Sabi mo let's go na.
No, can
We're going home na, Ender?
No.
No? Ikaw, we're going home na? Sabi mo we're going home na. Sabi mo tayo na, Daddy. Tapos ayaw mo umuwi. Let's go home na. Ha? Let's go home. Tara, uwi na tayo. Uwi na.
No.
Why no?
Big cellphone ka na. Big cellphone.
Uwi na tayo.
No.
O, play pa? You want to play pa? Ha? Stay here?
Iwan.
Iwan ka namin dito. Ha? Babalikan ka na lang mamaya. Iwan dito. Si Andre. Iwan si Andre? Ano? Iwan si Andre? O, sige. Bye-bye. We're going home na.
Daddy, is that the smooth one?
Iwan na si Andre, no?
Daddy, is that the smooth one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Iwan na si Andre. It's going home na?
No.
Tara. Let's go home na. Iwan na si Andre. Stay ka dito, ha? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Andre. Bye-bye, Dea.
Going home. Daddy.
Ano? Sama ka? Okay? Ano? We're going home na.
No kasama. Can my going home?
Going home na tayo.
Hindi na kasama.
Hindi sino hindi kasama. Sino?
Kasama.
Kasama sino?
Okay.
Okay, let's going home na.
Okay, this in my water.
Oh, sige. You drink water. Oh, nahaw ka. Uwi na daw kami. Kahit ayaw niya pa umuwi. Uwi na daw kami. Kasi may iwan siya eh. Iwan ka.
No ka.
Iwan si Andre dito. Babalikan na lang ni Daddy.
Uwi na, okay?
Uwi na?
Balik na si Andre.
Saan babalik si Andre? Saan?
Si Andre.
Iwan ka dito. Tapos babalikan na lang ni Daddy. Ikaw. Ha? Gusto mo?
Water in my sink?
Oh, sasama ka na sa amin pa uwi. Sama na uwi.
No.
Question.
What's your question?
Is there any rules that we're not allowed
Anong rules?
here in this park? Are we not allowed to
Daddy,
take
we
sticks
know
home?
don't make it.
No, we're allowed to stick. Okay lang yan.
Daddy,
Ano?
we this Renodo.
Ano?
This Renodo.
There's Ronaldo. Ano yun? Hindi kita maintindihan. Ano sinasabi mo?
This.
Mamaya tatranslate natin. Gagamit tayo ng Google Translate. Isa sinasabi niya, no?
No, baby, translate.
Baby Translate.
Baby shark.
Ano? Let's take it home.
Yeah.
Oh, ready na?
No.
Are you ready?
No.
And bring the rest of the sticks. Give me,
Going home na tayo, Andre.
and give me some
Tayo
sticks.
na lang natitira dito, oh. Anong hindi?
And give me sticks. Give me some sticks.
Going home na.
Okay, you take those sticks. Let's go.
Let's go na, let's go.
No. Okay,
And
go.
iiwan
Yan,
ka.
dala niya stick na yan.
Going home, Drea.
Oo nga, we're going home na nga. Halika na.
Drea at Ender at Daddy.
O, tatayo na, halika na.
Yeah, we're gonna make the ultimate.
Dito tayo nakapark, uy.
Yeah. Remember? What day?
Hindi, una na. Mga sticks. Sa kaya nila gagamitin yung mga sticks na yan.
We're gonna make an ultimate.
Ang gagawin nyo sa stick na yan?
And then we're gonna. And then this stick will be the strongest stick ever. And then we post it on YouTube.
Oo. Pupost nyo sa YouTube? May YouTube channel ba kayo?
No, you have a YouTube channel, remember? What?
May dala kayong sticks.
What?
You wanna clean the sticks before you go?
Yeah, sure. Let's
Oh, tara, tara. Oh, be careful. Oh. Oh, tignan nyo kung kasya nyo yung sticks dyan.
Andre, wag dyan!
Hindi naman kasya stick dyan eh.
Yes, it can. Look, oh.
Oh, you see? You see?
Oh,
See, may kalakal silang stick. Oh,
see?
sige.
There.
Oh, see?
There.
Oh,
I think you can
oh
fit.
see. Ikaw tingnan mo ako magsasara. Oh,
Oh, see?
oh see?
Oh, see?
Oh, see?
Let's post it on YouTube when once we glued all together and then...
Gulo mo yan. Anong gagawin mo dyan?
No, and then we're gonna build stuff out.
Going home na. Hindi ka na.
That's why we're going home then. Yeah, but
Oy! It's the best Sunday ever and why is it the best Sunday ever?
Why am I best?
Best Sunday ever?
My best and my dad. My daddy. Oh, in the back. Oh, in my Netflix. Ah! That's enough.
Parapapam, lapit ko. Sige, binibenta na yung bahay na yan. For sale. Looking there everywhere. Where is it now? I've been around. Okay. Baba na. Get inside na, get inside, guys. Ayun na po.
Oh, pahinga ng konti, tas maliligo.
Meron kaming kalakal. Saan na yung mga kalakal natin? Oh, sige, get mo yung kalakal.
Yay!
Saan mo lalagay yan?
Outside.
Oh, ito na. Oh.
I've been idea.
Can you get the stick,
Oh.
Mother?
Saan mo lalagay yung kalakal na yan?
Outside.
Okay, tapos na ang park day namin.
Stick shall
See you again, guys.